In other school. That's great. Let's practice together. In 3 words, pronunciation, parts of speech, guide words, syllable divisions. Dictionary. Thank you. I just came here to practice for tomorrow's match. Oh, that's great. Tomorrow my school team has its final match with another school. Oh, that's great. Let's practice together. My favorite subject is English. No, the first kitab English. My favorite color. Color spelling COLOUR. I want to be a doctor. The doctor جوړېدل غواړم. دا به په یاد ساتئ ښه؟ سمه ده؟ سار ده. اوس I play with my brothers and sisters. زه د زما له وروڼو له خویندو سره راځئ. In the evening. Ay, shabashir. In the evening. Another example of a proper noun. English book. Good. Shokat, give me one example of a common noun. Speech. Nouns, article, interjection. Okay. Conjunction. Okay, good. We have mafia. Mafia, what did you learn? The introduction, right? Okay, so they are finally off to their homes. After spending their 2 or 3 hours here, they are off to their homes now. Happy. So he is the untrained guy I was recording the other day. So I thought it would be unfair to go without capturing this beautiful view. It's freezing cold, very cold, yeah.